Want to get rid of your YouTube channel permanently? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel. Now let's get started. There are some important things to cover before I show you how to delete your channel, but if you are already 100% sure you want to delete it and only want to see the instructions, skip ahead to the time listed on your screen. Once you go through the process to permanently delete your channel and its content, there is no way to get it back. If you're not 100% sure you want to delete your channel, you can hide your channel or its content temporarily instead. If you want to keep a copy of your videos, you can download any videos you want to keep from your current channel before you delete it. To download a video from your own channel, click your profile icon and select Creator Studio. On the left, click Video Manager. Find the video you want to download, then click the downwards arrow icon beside its thumbnail. Select Download MP4 to download the video to your computer. If you ever decide to make a new YouTube channel, you can create another one using the same Google account. You can upload the videos you've downloaded to your new channel if you wish as well. Keep in mind that views, watch time, and other metrics will not be carried over if you re-upload one of your videos on another channel. To begin deleting your YouTube channel, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Then, sign into your YouTube account for the channel you want to delete. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. Then select Settings. Below your channel name, click Advanced. Scroll to the bottom, then click Delete Channel. You may be prompted to enter your sign-in details. If you only want to hide your channel, select I want to hide my channel. If you're sure you want to delete it, select I want to permanently delete my content. Click the checkbox to indicate you want your channel deleted. Then click Delete My Content. To confirm, type in the email address associated with your YouTube channel. Finally, click Delete My Content. That's all it takes to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Following these steps will only delete your YouTube channel and its related data, and not delete the Google account associated with it, so you can still use the same Google account to sign in and watch videos from other channels and for any other Google services you use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.